Is your milk boring? Do you want really exciting milk? Well, now you can with the new chocolate exploding milk. In organic. Hi, this is Benny Mays with your solution to boring milk. Now there's the new chocolate exploding milk in organic. Here's how it works. You take your straw and you insert it into the milk, activating the nuclear particles in the milk, which makes it explode. But the next person drink.
You're unexpected, friend.
I don't expect chocolate milk to explode in my face today.
We'll pick up the chocolate milk and drink.
Whoa! It really worked. We tested it on random people off the street.
Yeah, I'm a random person off the street.
The exploding milk comes in chocolate and organic chocolate.